delete is all. Is there any method for update? That means save only for multi-purpose na boss. We can use that one for what? Both angles are not there. We can definitely use this one for both angles are not there. Yeah. Tell me. String message is equal to prod service dot update product price. Very lengthy ID is there here, right? What is there? Lengthy ID here. Okay. Then I want to increment by 20%. System dot out dot println updated price is plus message. Updated price is plus message. Okay, 1 minute. Double, yeah, that's right. Cast to float because we have taken as a float. We have taken it as what? Float. That's really, really great or not there? Okay. Save this, my dear. Saved. Right? Yes. Okay. Now let's see what else we can do over there. Right, guys? Yeah. Tell me. Boot MongoDB pros1 Mongo repository. MongoDB pros1 Mongo repository. Updated price is this. Already existing price of this document one is what? 89999. It's a big number, right? In that one, 20% hike means what? Definitely touches 9 digit na boss. And we enter into ninth series, right? Okay. Let's see. Run as Java application. Run as what? Java application. Say refresh. Not that right. Here I have to say refresh. Check it out. Some 10,000 number has come or not? Some 10,000 number has come here or not there? Is it not interesting, my dear? Come on. Got the clarity or not? Okay, that's good. Great. So this is about the whole mechanism that we are understanding, guys. Understood everything, guys. Come on. Okay, that's good. Product is updated. What's the message we got, guys? Fine. Now we have to think about deleting the product also. Let's think about, see, you'll feel very easy because you are not writing logic. You are just calling the methods. It's always easy to do that work or not there. Yeah, I product management service, guys. Tell me. Public string. What is there? Delete product by ID. String ID. Delete product by ID, string ID. Say paste. First try to get the product, guys. If product is there, then you will delete now, boss. Okay, product is there, you will get object. Otherwise, you will get exception. Then we have to go for delete the document. Prod repo dot, tell me. Delete by ID. Okay, I'm just writing message. ID document is deleted. What document is deleted, guys? ID document is deleted. String message, where is this? Prod service dot delete product, boss. Here is what? Say paste. Done. System dot out dot println. What dot println, guys? System dot out dot println message. What dot message, guys? System dot out dot println message. Is that clear, guys? Come on. That's good. Great. Fantastic. Yeah. Tell me here. Run as. Where is this? Java application. Document is delete. We are getting the message the document is deleted or not. Let's see whether document is deleted or not. Total how many documents are there right now? 125. So it has become 124 now. So one document gone, it sits like this. We can do code operation on this repository just like that. Easy or difficult, guys? Any complexity is there, guys? There is no complexity at all, right? So you take any method, you can just call it, right? Okay. Now let me show the document now. File, open, class content. What's your document? Spring. Where is this? Common topics. Spring data, MongoDB. Where is that? Spring Boot data, MongoDB. This is done. This is done. Right. Look at this document where we are dealing with all the code operations are not there. Where we are simply dealing with different repositories we discussed. Mongo repository, direct methods. These are direct methods, guys. Find all. Okay, insert. Some direct methods are there. Okay, so far we used common methods, but let's use some direct methods, guys. Find all example object. Find all example object with the sort object. Sort object is there to tell the sorting. You don't give me documents, sort them. Based on one attribute, what is that? Given property, you sort them. What about example objects, sir? Example object is very useful. Okay. Did you ever seen flipkart.com? You first typed, I need all mobiles. All mobiles, 1,000 plus 10,000 mobiles will come. You start selecting each checkbox. iPhone, drop it to 1,000. In that one, iPhone 17, drop it to 150. Again, you selected, what is there? Some RAM size, 128 GB. Okay, drop it to 15. Dynamic conditioning, dynamic conditions. If you want to form such kind of conditions, you have to give those things through example object. Example object is container object like optional object. But whenever I pass example object in find all method, having document object, it will take only non-null property values of document object and applies end clause condition on them. What condition? End clause condition on them. Are you getting my point? Suppose each property one condition, second property one more condition, third property one more condition. It's like a dynamic condition as we are seeing in flipkart.com now, my dear. Not able to visualize a 7 p.m. people, I need more focus from you because 11 o'clock students already they studied this one in what? Spring Data JP. I want more attention from you people. I'm opening flipkart.com or amazon.com, anything, guys. Okay, I typed mobile. What is there? Yeah, in my search list, only shoe will be there. I know that. Okay. What is there, guys? Mobile. So many mobiles came. 11,169 results have come. How many? Okay, I want to have Apple brand one, 558. In Apple, brand is selected as Apple. Second condition. Okay, I'm looking for what? 30,000 plus selected price range. Change it still 558. By default, also 30,000. Okay, 1 GB RAM below. No. Okay, then internal storage. I'm looking 256 minimum. Okay, 187 results. As we are selecting each one, results count is reducing or not there? Keep bright faces, something happening. Sleepy, drowsy. Fine. Okay. Is it class effect or manufacturing defect? Huh? Manufacturing defect. Okay. Fine. No, then I'm helpless. You should ask your parents, not me. Okay. Or if you believe in God, you should ask God, why God, why I'm like this? Hmm. Right? Okay. Yeah. Now that is that conditioning I want to have. I want to sort. At the same time, I want to get the data based on the given properties data by applying end clause on them. So those given properties data better to give through example object or not there. You think that all conditions are there in my Java class. Condition one, condition two, condition. As you as you select the each checkbox, each property data filled up. Come on. Second checkbox, second property data filled up. And I'm going to use that one as what? Condition object before calling the find all method. So that what happened? Based on the conditions we selected, data is going to come or not there. But right now, I don't want to take separate Java class. I'm trying to make what? Condition data as document object data itself, right? Yes. Let's see. Public list product. List product. Okay. Now tell me. Show all products. What guys? Show all products by given data and as sorted. As what? Sorted. As sorted. Okay. Given data is what? Product. Product. Okay, guys. Boolean ascending order. If a true ascending order. Come on, guys. But based on which properties you want to sort? Spring three dots props. What, guys? Spring three dots props. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Spring three dots props. Product to prod. Boolean ascending order. Spring three dots props. Convinced or not, my dear? Yeah. Product management service IMPL, guys. Look at this. Show all products by given data as sorted. Yeah, first what I'm going to do. Having given data, I'm going to prepare example object. Prepare, what is there? Example object. Prepare what object, guys? Example object. It's like another container object, like a optional object, boss. Come on. When you create example object having product object or conditions object, whatever it is. So inside an example object, this object will be fit. Yeah. Example product. Example is equal to, tell me. Example dot of. What dot of, guys? Example dot of prod. I created example object here or not? I definitely solidly created example object over here or not there? That's good. Example product example is equal to example dot this. We are ready with example. Very simple. Of see, it is not. If you give directly null possibility, if no object given null, if I give through example, if I give prod, it will take prod. If I don't give anything, empty object. So no question of passing null na boss. In the return value, if you want to avoid null pointer exception, take return type as optionality. Come on. As a parameter, if you want to avoid null pointer exception problem, okay, as a parameter, you take what? Example T. Come on. Optionality solves return value, method return value related what? Null pointer exceptions. Example T solves what? Example T solves what? I want reply, guys. Parameters related. What related? Parameters related null pointer exception. Convinced, my dear? Okay, that's good. Prepare sort object. What object, guys? Yeah, I'm preparing this one nicely. Check it out. Sort is equal to sort dot off. And nowadays new operator is out of fashion. Factory method is out of fashion. For everywhere off is there or not. Okay, sort dot off. Right. Okay. Listen, what I'm going to do. First, we have to decide ascending order, descending order. So listen, ASC order question mark. I'm going to use ternary operator, boss. What operator? If this is true, what I'm going to do? Sort dot direction dot ascending colon. 7 p.m. people, you have to focus a lot because 11 a.m. already they have come across this in somewhere else. So that means if it is true, choose ascending dot colon sort dot direction dot descending. Array, it looks like very lengthy one, but first parameter only I pass. Bulb glowing or not glowing. If it is true, take this as the first argument. Otherwise, take this as the not second argument, first argument. How many commas I kept in method call? Before one comma, how many arguments will be there? Once again, if ascending order parameter value is what? True. Take this entire section as what? First argument value. Otherwise, take this entire section as what? Huh? What argument value? Thank you, Ra. Ternary operator. You know what is ternary operator? Okay, that's good. Immediate if. Either that or this. No, like regular innocent programmer, I can write 4 or 5 lines code also. How? If ASC order, then what is there? Some variable is equal to sort dot direction dot ASC. Else, some variable, other same variable is equal to sort dot direction dot. No, not required. You are learning Spring Boot microservices, right? Don't behave like a kid drinking milk. Behave like what? Grown up boy drinking green tea. I know what you thought. Okay. Okay. Adib, where are you? Classroom or somewhere else? Still thinking about missed calls only. Huh? Concentrate. Body present, mind absent. You are there here, Kolkata na? Think about Hyderabad biryani, not about Calcutta fish fry. Huh? What is that? Acha, Golgappa. Fine. You know, in Calcutta, fish is considered as vegetarian food. Yes. And they call them as, not what they call water flowers. So if anyone wants to eat fish, but still they want to be considered as what? Vegetarian without disturbing their rituals or culture, go to Calcutta. Only in Calcutta, fish is considered as what? Vegetarian. I don't know. Blood will come or not, I don't know. In Calcutta, fish blood is not there. That is also vegetarian blood. Huh? How come blood is vegetarian, ra? Huh? Veg only. Okay, fine. Then in my state, mutton is also veg then. Okay. Right. Okay, fine. Yeah. Sort dot direction dot ASC. Sort dot direction dot what? DSC. Jokes apart. On which properties you want to sort? Okay, this method is called with how many arguments? 3 or 4 or 2 na 1 na? 2. First argument, comma, props. Okay. Why props? Why? Uh, they are varargs. Varargs means what? If you give one property based on one property data sorted. Okay, if that property two values are different, same in two different documents, then it will try to take another property data into picture. It's intelligent. Okay, varargs. I think you recognized this. Array, internally array, boss. Varargs is nothing but what? Array. In one method definition, how many varargs can be there? That should be first parameter, middle parameter, last parameter. I know these fundamentals. Why it should be last parameter? When I design method with varargs, while calling, I may pass one value, two value, three value as a comma separated. If it is there in the first or middle, what about other parameters values? Problem na, boss. You don't know how much you eat, ra. So better to eat at the end of the all people, na, boss. Yes or no, na? You don't know how much you eat. So if you eat in the beginning, you may not left anything to next people, right? So that's why it's better to eat at the end. So what happened? How much left over, that is yours only. You can fight with the dogs also. That much food you can eat, right? Yes or no, na? Fine. Yeah. Call the method. What method, guys? Call the method. Okay, fine. List product. What, guys? List product. List is equal to, yeah, what is there? Prod repo dot. What repo dot? Find all of. What is there? Example object example. Next what, guys? Sort object sort. First, it will select the records, whatever records that came. Yeah, records means document. They will sort by the given property. They will sort by the given prop. Lastly, I am returning what? List. Fine. What I do is, intentionally, I will call this method with only one property in the product object. That is category furniture. There are multiple products now, boss. Remaining things I keep empty. So all are, it will involve only non-null properties in the conditioning. Any null value, it won't involve. Only non-null properties. Any all wrapper types also by default holds null if I don't set the data, na boss. Yeah, tell me. List why all these things? You are intelligent now. You understood ternary operator means you are intelligent. Yes or no, na guys? Prod service dot. Yeah, tell me. Prod service dot. Come on. Fetch product by idea. No. No, no, no. What is the method? Show, na? Okay. Show product by given data as sorted. Okay. I want to get in ascending order. That's true. I want to sort by name, name, product name, name. I want to sort by name, name property. Here I pass prod object, but I will design prod object here. Product to prod is equal to new product of prod dot set category. Set category furniture. What is there? Set category furniture dot for each system dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Okay, that's good. Hey, are you noticing what's happening here? But here one error is there. Red mark is still there. Sort dot off. Wrong. Nothing is there. Wrong package is imported, Rava. We want this sort, but some other sort is imported. Yeah, it's right only. Spring data dot sort. Huh? What the? Arey, that is for pagination, waste fellow. Okay, sort dot direction dot ascending, sort dot direction dot undefined type for sort. What is there then? Sort dot off. Sort dot off is not there. I think wrong package import, Babu. Wait a minute. Okay, let me go for this. Let me look for this. Control plus shift plus O. Yeah, which sort you want? Second one. Nora. First one only, na? Why it is giving the headache like this? Sort dot alpha, sort dot by. Sort dot by. Yes. Fine. Sort by is the method. Fine. I don't remember APIs, please. Today by tomorrow, how does it matter for us? Okay. Right. Yeah. Done, boss. But unfortunately, off is there, but with the signature, that is not. Yeah, I think you understood instead of getting return value and calling for each, on the method call itself, I am calling for each. One and the same are not there. Okay, now let's see. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, out of four, we delete. Based on this condition, only three products have come. In that one, first chair, then sofa, then table. What's the original order? First table, then chair, then sofa. But change it, order is changed or not? Why fourth is not coming? Maybe furniture spell mistake, it seems. Check it out. Furniture. Furniture. I think spell. Last one, no furniture. For last one, I have not taken furniture yet. No category for that. That's why it is not coming. Okay, boss. Now, I want to get products based on two properties. Okay, whose size is 10. Okay, now I said now only it will involve non-null properties. Prod dot set to quantity. Here size means quantity 10.0. Okay, I think having size 10, multiple products are there, only one product is there. There are two products. In those two products, sorting will happen now, boss. First sofa, then table. Okay, why it is coming like this? Ascending order, I said. I want to get in what? Descending order. I hope you understood what's the use of example object. Example object is container object. Okay. Container object holding another object. So that object properties non-null data will be taken by find all method and will apply end class condition to filter the data or not there. To filter the document or to filter the record, it will apply end class condition. First sofa, then table. Now it will come in reverse order, boss. What's the reverse order? Java application. Let's see the reverse order. First table, then sofa. It has come or not there? I think we completed all code operation. One more insert method is there. That same as save method. You practice on your own. These are Mango repository direct methods, right? Okay. Example object is useful for what purpose, guys? Yeah, 1 minute. Let me check whether these direct methods are there or not there. Yeah, listen, 7 p.m. students, testing code is written in a runner class, but you don't worry about runner class. You happily write in what? Main method only. Ignore runner part. You call the same logic in what? Runner. Otherwise, if you want one line statement, I will give. A runner class will execute automatically, especially it's a run method. It is also Spring Bean. We can inject other Spring Beans. See, test runner, command line runner. Okay. I should also take this one also what? Spring Bean. At the rate component. I injected service class object now, boss. In the whatever code you place in run method, like main method, it executes only for one time. So I'm using injected service and calling the business method. I'll talk more on runner class later. Okay. So runner class is a class whose run method executes one time as a Spring Bean. So that I can inject other Spring Bean. No need of calling ctx.getBean method. Okay. And moreover, no need of worrying about touching main method main class. Everything can be done through another Spring Bean or not there. Okay, why to worry? I'll talk more on runners later. Today, it's a good practice to write the testing code in the runner class, not in what? Main method. Okay, fine. What I do is, I go to this place, guys. I'll add one package, my dear. What package? New package. nt.run. com.nt.runners. That's good. Here is my what? Right click, new. What is there? Class. MongoDB test runner. Are how does normal class becomes runner class? When it implements an interface called command line runner. An interface called command line runner. Okay, now it should be taken as Spring Bean or not? How to make as a normal Spring Bean? And I can inject service class here now, boss. Yeah, tell me. Command line runner. Here, what is this? iProduct. iProduct repository. Prod repo. At the rate auto wide. It's not service. Now, already service only I am injecting. Acha, you are talking. Yeah, it should be iProduct service. iProduct management service. Prod service. What is the advantage? Is there any need of calling ctx.getBean? Entire application I can complete through injection, no need of lookup activities. And moreover, it's easy to develop, right? Me creating container, axing container, no headaches. Super. Okay, now tell me, whatever code is there, I can happily call that code here or not there. I got a service, I can call the method. I can get the output or not there. Say something, guys. Am I going to call this run method manually? Don't worry. I'll explain runner class later, but it's a one-time executing class. We will call run method. That will be called automatically. You need not to call run method separately. Java application. Same output is coming there or not? Did I call the run method explicitly, guys? Okay, for the timing, what you do? Take a class implementing command line runner. You will get a run method. There you write your logic, but inject whatever object you want and use that to call the business method. But you should make it as a Spring Bean. The runner class also, you should make it as what? Spring Bean. That's great, na boss? Yeah. Fetching all documents. Okay, batch insertion. Yesterday we discussed all these things. Code operation using MongoDB, right? Updating MongoDB document, removing document. Come on. Okay, getting document by applying what? Sorting. Okay. Generating ID value through what? GUID, UUID generators. We discussed this or not there? Okay. Taking other than string ID property as what? ID property. We also discussed these points are not there. Everything is discussed in this class and that is there in the form of document, right? Yes, guys. Okay. To make you people inspire, staying inspired or staying motivated, one of your batchmate has got job. Okay, I think he belongs to 7 p.m., right? Yeah, please come. What's your name? OA2, OA overaction 2. OA1 is this, OA2 is this. Right? Okay. So at least inspire. Before completing Spring Boot microservice itself, he got the job. That means he has done a lot of hard work and he impressed them with what? Whatever knowledge he got in Spring Core and Spring Boot Core and lot of Core Java as per my knowledge, right? Share your journey, short and sweet, because their chapatis are waiting.
Good evening, everyone. Uh, my name is Noor Amin. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. Actually, I got job from Dubai-based company. It is product-based company, and it is mainly develop project for the banking sector. And it is initially provide 25K for the stipend, and after that they will relocate the remote area like Dubai, Egypt, and Qatar. That is why and I mentally prepare for the remote location. And my father told me it is a MNC, you can accept the offer, although they are providing 25K initially. That is why I happily accept through the Nourish IT placement team, and they convinced to me, if you accept this, then your future will be secure for the MNC companies. That is the only reason that is to accept the offer. And they initially asked based on Java 8 features and collection, lambda expression, functional interface, concurrent hash maps, like different question based on Java and Spring Boot and Spring framework basic annotation. Because I firstly told to the HR, I know the core module of Spring and Spring Boot. That is why no, they not ask the deep question based on Spring and microservices. Actually, they provide 3 lakhs initially. After that, they clearly mention after complete the training, 3 months of training, they will provide uh, according to my performance. And they provide flat also if they relocate the on-site, and everything as per the mention in the offer letter.
Any question in Spring Core and Spring Boot Core?
No, sir, basic question annotation just like auto. I don't have access again. Any questions? No, sir. No questions.
Any DB questions? Only Core Java. Fine. That means the company is going to work on, they're going to give training on their own framework, which is built on the Java. Yeah. They have their own framework. Okay. It's a product based company. So don't expect you will work on Java, Spring Boot. So they have their own framework, which is built on the top of Java. You will be having training on that framework. Then you will be getting the work. Okay. There's no wrong of working with a company specific framework. Since it's a product based company, who knows? They might be building their own AI framework based on Java, and you will be part of that. And you will get a lot of scope to learn the subject. Product building is very complex task. And if you are part of that project, don't lose the opportunity. Okay, you will get a lot of knowledge to gain and a lot of knowledge to explore. All the best. Thank you. Right. Fine. Market is slowly opening up. Okay. And be ready with the subject so that you can grab the early opportunities. Right. Thank you. I think if needed 1 day, if not completed 2 days, be prepared on the first side 2 days. Next 2 days also, common topic will be there. Wednesday, Thursday. Friday again regular topic. Saturday, Sunday again we have a common topic, right? This week little disturbed, don't worry. And when it comes to 11 o'clock students, tomorrow morning 11 o'clock session is not there, evening common topic only. But Thursday you have a regular class and common topic both. Is that clear? And later tell me I have not heard, I don't know all this stuff. Thursday you have both 11 a.m. and what? 7 p.m. session. And Wednesday, tomorrow, you have only 7 p.m. session. It is for what? This one. But common topic happens only in 7 p.m. slot, not in other slots. Thank you. Have a nice time.